Hi, this is Donna with Donna's Products. I wanted to show you the indoor grass kit for cats. It's a growing kit. I just received this a few days ago. It comes with the seeds, which I've already opened. I'll show you the finished product in just a moment. It comes with the soil disc. It comes with 3 of those. It comes with 3 growing containers, the instructions. I have 2 of them right here. I'll show you the finished product in just a moment. And you just take the bottom piece, sit it inside here. Okay, and then you open one of the discs. Okay, I'm going to put it inside here and cover it with water. And let me say, this is not a time lapse here. This is actually happening in front of you. Just covered it with water. And it begins to, the disc begins to rise immediately. The water begins to soak up. In just a few seconds, it's done. It says wait 10 minutes or so, but it goes pretty fast. So what I'm going to do now, for the sake of time, is take a little bit of the soil and just break it up. And put some over into a container here so I can put my seed in. Okay. It really goes fast. Okay. Then we take our seed packet. I've used some of these, but I'm going to go ahead and use the rest. And sprinkle them around. And then I'll put the rest of the soil back on top. And what I do with this is just put it away for about 3 days, 3 to 4 days. And then you have this. Okay. So I like these, and let's see if my kitty cat likes it too. Let's see what Midnight thinks. Yeah, Midnight likes it too. Yeah. So I would encourage you to give the Grass Grow Kit for Cats a try.